Hello everyone, it's me again, Romania, with A Day with Romania. I hope everybody is having a wonderful, wonderful Sunday. I wanted to come on. I'm actually making two meals in one because we got a late start. I'm making French toast and sausage for my son, Romania's French toast. I'm going to do corned beef and cabbage. So I'm going to try to film it and combined it all together. I know I was going to film yesterday of my shoes and how I organized them, but it was a whole lot, and we had to actually just clean my son's room from top to bottom, so I didn't film that. It was just too much. So I'm going to film you my Sunday brunch and dinner. I hope you all are having a wonderful, wonderful weekend. Thank you for all those who have subscribed and became a love. I really, really, truly appreciate you and all the support. For those who haven't subscribed, please, please subscribe. Hit the bell button so you know every time I upload. And let's get it going. So for Romania's French toast, I use eggs, probably about 2 or 3, because it's just me and my son. My husband's at work. I like to use the country buttermilk biscuits. Y'all know me. Country buttermilk bread. If I don't have that, I like to use the honey wheat as well. I love to use hope you can see it, the Mexican vanilla bean. It's really, really good. I get this at Walmart. It's only like $1 something. I like to use ginger. This comes from Dollar Tree. I like to use just a dash of almond, and this comes from Aldi's. I think it's like $1.99 at Aldi's. And then of course, cinnamon. Not too much, but this one comes from Walmart. And then since we stopped drinking regular milk, I will use the Almond Breeze. So I will be back with the finished product. Bye. Okay, so this is how it looks with the eggs and the milk beaten. You just want to make sure that you don't have those like clear little patches of eggs. Try to beat it as well as you can. If you have a mixer, that's even better. Something I definitely... Okay, sorry about that, you all. My phone is really tripping today. So this is the eggs and the milk mixed again. And again, I don't measure things, so it's just by eye. I'll add my cinnamon. I'll add my ginger. Not much, because that ginger overpowers. And my Mexican vanilla. And then just a drop of almond, just a drop, maybe a little bit more ginger. Sometimes I'll put sugar and brown sugar, it all depends. And then you just mix it up. Mix, mix, mix. Put your bread, you dip your bread in here. I put a little bit of oil in my pan because we like it a little crispy. So I will put a little oil in the pan, and then I will dip my bread. Make sure it's good and coated. Trying to get all those good spices. Make sure it's good and coated. And then there you have it. I'll be back to show you it in the pan and the finished product. Thank you for watching. And again, this is going to be 2 videos in one. So I'm also going to show the process, which isn't a big process, of how to make my corned beef and cabbage the way I like to make it. So we'll be back. Thank you. See you soon. So here it is in the pan with the oil. Sometimes you have to move the oil around to get in it. I mean, you don't have to use oil. We just like it crispy. So I dipped it like 3 times on each side. And then just put it in a pan and wait for one side to get kind of crunchy. Flip it, and there you have it. So I will be back with the finished product, but it's really good. The ginger and the almond, I think that's what really brings out the flavor. That's what I really like. That's why I call it Rose French toast, or Romania's French toast. It's just really good with that, but you don't need a lot, because it'll overpower it, and I have did that before. So you just need like a few drops of the vanilla and 1 drop of the almond extract. But there it is. Let's see if I can show you. Well, we might be able to flip it. Let's see. My son likes his light a little bit, and this is his. I don't know why I got this little small spatula. I got this from the Dollar Tree. And see? There you go. And see how it has a little crispy edges from the oil? He likes his light. I like mine a little dark. And there you have it. I will show you once it's all plated up. And yes, we use paper plates in this house. We have enough dishes to wash. We use paper plates and paper cups. Not paper cups. Plastic cups. But they do have paper cups, but no, we don't use those. So that is the French toast, and I'll be back with the finished product. Thank you. Bye. Hey everyone, this is Romania again. So we have finished our brunch. As you'll see in the pictures, the final plating. It was really good. Something quick and fast. So I hope you enjoyed that video. I'm gonna take a quick break and then I'm going to start dinner. I'm trying to figure out if I want to combine these videos or separate. I think I'm gonna do separate videos. So I hope everyone is continuing to have a good Sunday, relaxing. It's snowing. I think this is our first snowfall. I really haven't looked outside because I don't want to see it. Sitting here thinking about what I'm going to do for Thanksgiving. My son is going to be gone, so we might just have a little small something. It all depends. No gathering, just me and my husband. Like I said, my son's going to his dad, so I'm not going to any family's house. I hope everybody is on the same accord. You know, it's sad. This year has been extremely hard for almost everyone. I've lost my grandmother. My son had COVID. My daughter-in-law had COVID. My cousin has COVID now. So it's really close to home or at home. So it's not fake, it's for real. So everybody, please stay safe. And I'm trying to think of ideas to film because it's not much to do. I will try to get out to the stores once a week, but because I have underlying conditions as well, I'm kind of cautious with it. So I would try to go like early in the morning, be the first one there. I definitely will be doing some ordering online for groceries, and I'll show you those. I think I'm gonna do one for Walmart tonight and hopefully try to get everything I need for Thanksgiving, and that way I can just film that haul. But if you have any ideas or any type of videos or any type of food videos you want to see me cook, I will definitely do that. I'm going to try to film everything I cook from now on. That way you'll see it. Unless it's a repeat, then I won't film that. Just a quick video on how I do it. Pictures and videos. But I really appreciate you all for subscribing and supporting me. I'm really trying to get this thing going. Excuse me. And I know I have a lot of work to do, a lot of improvement, but it will come in time. So with that being said, thank you for watching this video of the quick breakfast brunch of Romania's French toast. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. If you reach the end of this video, just comment French toast so I know you've seen it. Again, thank you to all my subscribers. I love you so much. And if you haven't subscribed, again, please subscribe and hit the bell button so you know every time I upload a video. Please pass the word along. Let's get this thing going and give me some ideas on what you would like to see filmed. Like I said, I was going to film me separating and showing you all my shoes and how me and my son organized them, but it was just too overwhelming. And then I also have to get my tripod fixed. So once I get that done, I can film more and not have to hold the phone or hold the camera. Again, thank you